If Lightroom Classic is showing a generic error occurred message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. This is a common issue, and in many cases it can be solved without reinstalling anything. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom fixes and editing tutorials. Let's jump in. The first and most effective fix is to reset your Lightroom preferences. To do that, close Lightroom completely, then reopen it while holding Alt and Shift on Windows or Option and Shift on Mac. Keep those keys pressed until you see the option to reset preferences. Click Reset Preferences, then allow Lightroom to restart. A corrupted preference file is one of the most common reasons this error appears, so this step often solves the problem right away. If you still see the error, the next thing to check is your catalog file. Open Lightroom Classic and then manually select your .lrcat catalog file if it doesn't open automatically. Sometimes the app is trying to load the wrong catalog, or the catalog shortcut can become damaged. Opening the catalog directly helps confirm that Lightroom is working with the correct library and file path. If the issue continues, try disabling GPU acceleration. Go to Edit, then Preferences, and open the Performance tab. Find the option that says Use GPU and turn it off. After that, restart Lightroom. On some systems, GPU conflicts can trigger generic errors, especially after a driver update or if your graphics hardware is not fully compatible with Lightroom Classic. Turning GPU off is a simple test that can quickly tell you whether graphics processing is the cause. Another helpful step is to clear the cache. Stay in Preferences under the Performance section, then click Purge Cache if that option is available. Cached data can become outdated or corrupted, and clearing it can force Lightroom to rebuild fresh files the next time it opens. This is especially useful if the error started after importing files, switching catalogs, or using a lot of previews. Finally, make sure both Lightroom and Creative Cloud are fully updated. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and check for updates for Lightroom Classic as well as the Creative Cloud app itself. Bugs like this are often fixed in newer versions, and an outdated installation can cause unexpected error messages. After updating, restart your computer and launch Lightroom again. If Lightroom Classic is still showing error occurred after these steps, the problem may be deeper, but in most cases, one of these fixes will get you back on track. Start with resetting preferences, then check the catalog, disable GPU, clear cache, and update everything. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom troubleshooting guides, photo editing tips, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.